Welcome! If you're looking to update a link in your Instagram bio, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to edit a link's URL in your Instagram bio, using the latest version of the app on Android. Whether you're sharing your website, a portfolio, or your latest project, keeping your bio link up to date is essential. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to update the link. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. Tap on it to access your profile settings. Here, you'll see several options to customize your profile, but for now, we're focusing on your links. Next, find and tap on the Links section. This is where all the links you've added to your bio are listed. If you have multiple links, scroll through and select the specific link you want to update. Tap on that link to open its details. You'll see a field labeled URL. Tap on this field and you'll be able to edit the web address. Carefully type in the new URL you want to display in your bio. Double-check to make sure there are no typos, as a small mistake can lead your followers to the wrong page. Once you've entered the new URL, look for the Save option, usually at the top right corner of the screen, and tap it. Your changes will be saved instantly, and your updated link will appear in your bio for everyone to see. That's all there is to it. Updating your Instagram bio link is quick and easy, and it ensures your followers always have access to your latest content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.